Welcome to this technical guide on the Asus UX. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're struggling to access your data on your Asus UX, you're not alone. This issue can often stem from a failing hard drive or a corrupted operating system. If left unresolved, it could lead to permanent data loss, which is something no one wants to experience. Fortunately, we can help you address the problem quickly and effectively. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, and a replacement hard drive if necessary. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. To open the device safely, use your plastic opening tool to gently pry apart the casing, starting from one corner and working your way around. Be cautious and take your time to avoid damaging the clips. Once the casing is open, locate the hard drive. It's typically situated near the center of the device and is secured with a couple of screws. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws, making sure to keep them in a safe place. After unscrewing the hard drive, carefully disconnect any cables attached to it. If you feel resistance, double-check to ensure you're not missing any clips or latches. It's crucial to handle the components delicately to avoid damaging nearby parts. Once the old hard drive is removed, take your replacement drive and connect it in the same manner as the original. Screw it back into place, ensuring it's secure but not overly tight. After that, reconnect any cables you previously detached, being mindful to ensure they are seated correctly. Once everything is back in its place, gently press the casing back together, making sure it clicks into position. Finally, power on your device and check if you can access your data. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, regularly back up your data and consider running diagnostic checks to catch any potential problems early on. Keeping your operating system updated can also help maintain the health of your device. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.